you can hide, I'll find you. Bingo! Found Grandma! Bag and tag the hag. Hey, where are you? Where the hell is that little duckling? Kingdom for a beer. Roses are red. Violets are blue. You think you can hide? But I'll find you. Are you okay, Bobby? Then get her out of here.
We have one to keep, one in the way, over.
Into my house.
I'm not here to hurt anyone.
You've already put my daughter's life at risk just by stepping foot in here.
I came to you for help, and you tried to have me killed.
Look, I just needed information, because I can't allow anyone to know what we're doing here.
Nobody knows, and no one will. Mrs. Griffin, look, I understand you're just trying to protect your daughter. I get that. Because I'm trying to save the one person left in my life that matters to me. I can't leave here without that pass. Please. Please help me.
Top shelf. Come on, get it down. Open it up. You better not make me regret this.